Hello guys, welcome to Unstoppable Ayurveda YouTube channel. Today's our topic is Ayurveda, an independent school of philosophy. The word darshan is general means related to seeing or by which knowledge of an object is obtained or by which things can be seen. This means of seeing is called darshan. As definition is given that drashyate anena iti darshanam. In this way, the general meaning of the word darshan is the means of seeing. Darshan is a tool for seeing the elements that create, sustain, and destroy the entire world. Said in Ayurveda that Shastram Jyotihi Prakashartham. This scientific scripture, that is darshan, provide the light for illumination to remove the darkness of ignorance. Through philosophy, the path is shown to know the supreme power that runs and operates the whole world and to merge oneself in it. The only and fundamental aim of different type of philosophy is to understand the ultimate truth and to attain the salvation. Ayurveda as an independent school of philosophy. Ayurveda has also accepted many principles from these philosophies about the ultimate truth, where different philosophies follow a single path set by themselves to discover the truth and to achieve the ultimate state, that is moksha. Ayurveda provides a vision and applicability of using the principles of all philosophies from the treatment and medicinal perspective. That is why Ayurveda has been called Sarva Parishadam Idam Shastram. It means Ayurveda accept the good things from various darshan and apply it for the benefits of society. Individuality of purpose. The most prominent originality of Ayurveda is that where other philosophies only aim at salvation, Ayurveda is helpful in achieving the goal of both freedoms from physical ailments and salvation. As written by Mahasi Charak, प्रयोजनं च अस्य स्वस्थस्य स्वास्थ्यरक्षणं आतुरस्य विकारप्रशमनं च. The purpose of this science is to preserve the health of the healthy and cure the disease of the unhealthy. Furtherly explain the same thing with different aspect. Mahasi Charak said that Dhatu Samya Kriyas Chokta Tantrasyasya Prayojanam. The objective of this tantra is achievement of balanced state of dhatu. Even if salvation is to be attained, it is necessary to have a healthy body to attain that salvation. Therefore, in Ayurveda, health has been described as the means of achieving the fourfold effort, and this is how Ayurveda has its own individual understanding. That is, dharma, artha, kama, mokshanam, arogyam, moolam uttamam. Individuality in Lakshan. Ayurveda not only teaches a person to worry about his own health, but also explain the concern for the health of society and social progress. Ayurveda cares for all the living beings of this universe. That is, the speciality of Ayurveda is to provide direction to live life by keeping an equal vision for the entire universe. Lakshan of Ayurveda is given as Hitahitam Sukham Dukham Ayustasya Hitahitam Manam Cha Taccha Yatroktam Ayurveda Sauchyate. And if we understand this verse properly, Sukhayu, that is Tatra Sharira Manasabhyam Rogabhyam Anabhidrutasya, deals with the personal health, as well as term Hitayu, that is Hiteshena Punarbhutanam, deals with the social health. Individuality of terminology. The definition of Sukh and Dukh is quite different in Darshan, but as Ayurveda mainly deals with human body, the symptoms of various diseases arise out of dosha vaishamya are called pain or dukh. Acharya said that विकारो धातु वैषम्यम साम्यम प्रकृति उच्यते सुखसंज्ञकम आरोग्यम विकारो दुखमेव च disequilibrium of dosha or dhatus. Imbalance of dhatu is a disease and their equilibrium is health. Health is termed as happiness or sukha, while disorder is unhappiness or dukha. Individuality of classification. Ayurveda has a special vision of classifying all the subject present in the world into three sutras. हेतु लिंग औषध ज्ञानम स्वस्थातूर परायणम त्रिसूत्रम शाश्वतम पुण्यम बुबुधे यम पितामह. Ayurveda provides the knowledge of hetu, that is etiology, ling, that is symptomatology, and aushad, that is therapeutics. Individuality of tools. Darshan uses praman as a tool to understand and examine the elements of the universe, but Ayurveda uses this praman as examination tools for the body. Even in the context of the body, the balance and imbalance of dosha, dhatu, and mal can be understood through examinations. There are fourfold method of examination, that is scriptures or text, direct perception, inference, and reasoning. Ayurveda also emphasizes the importance of this examination by saying that Trividhen khalu anena jnana samudayena purvam parikshya rogam. First of all, one should examine the various aspects of disease by employing all three pramana. Individuality in Tattvamimamsa. Just as the creator of the world is Panchmahabhut, in the same way, Dosha Dhatu Mal has been considered as the main basis of the body. It is said that Dosha Dhatu Malamulam hi Shariram. Yashmat Shariram Doshadi Moolam. Yatha Vrukshadinam Sambhavasthiti Pralayeshu Moolam Pradhanam. Tatha Sharirasya Vatadaya Ityartha. This dosha, dhatu, and mal are the cause for creation, maintenance, and destruction of the body. Ayurveda also describes the physical substances like the body and sense organs, and adhyatmic substances like Atma and Man in scientific way. Maharshi Charak said that Sharirendriya Sattvatma Sanyogo Dhari Jivitam Nityagah Chanubandhascha Paryaye Ayuhu Uchyate. Ayu implies the conjugation of the physical body, senses, mind, and soul, and is known by synonyms of Dhari, Jivit, Nityag, and Anubandh. Individuality in therapeutic approach. In Ayurveda, it has been clearly explained how Guna Karma, which is in constant relationship with Dravya, can be used medically on the basis of principle of Samanya and Vishesh. It is said that Samanyam cha Vishesham cha Gunan Dravyani Karma cha Samvayam cha Tadgnatva Tantroktam Vidhimastitaha. While describing the primary cause of disease, it is termed as causes of dukha. Gyatavyaha dukha hetavah. Thus, the main three causes of disease are considered as dukha hetu in Ayurveda. Among them, Pragyaparad considered as the most important hetu, where Pragyaparad has been told as main reason for origin of all the diseases. On the other hand, truthfulness has been considered as the reason for salvation, and being free from sattva, raj, and tam. From the treatment point of view, for the treatment of disease, Yukti Vyapashray, Sattva-Vajay have been taken along with Dev Vyapashray. Even after describing the three types of treatment, At the same time, Swabhav is also a reason for the devastation of the disease has been approved. Not only the treatment principles associated with the body, but absolute eradication of miseries is obtained by the elimination of desires. Desire is the root cause for all miseries. Elimination of desire leads to the eradication of all miseries. Thus, level of treatment is much more expanded in Ayurveda. Individuality in applied aspect. In Ayurveda, the unity of the body and the world has also been described in a very scientific way. Purusho ayam lok sammitah. Purush is similar to the lok. Whatever specific murtimant bhav are present in the loka, the same are in the Purusha. Similarly, whatever is in Purusha is also in the Loka. Innumerables are the specific parts of the Loka, and so are innumerables of the specific parts, that is unit of a Purusha. On the basis of this principle, the way balance of the world deteriorates due to the imbalance of any element in the world, in the same way, due to the imbalance of dosha inside the body, the health of the body deteriorates. Individuality in ultimate achievement. Where philosophy is concerned with the attainment of moksha, Ayurveda is concerned with both the current life and the life after death, and therefore Ayurveda is beneficial for both. That is why Maharshi Charak said that Tasya Ayushah Punyatamo Vedo Vedavidam Matah Vakshyate Yan Manushyanam Lokayoho Ubhayor Hitam. Vedic scholars regard Ayurveda as the most illustrious for Veda and that which is said to be good for both the worlds of human beings, the present and the afterlife. Thus, Ayurveda establishes itself as a unique fundamental philosophy by coordinating the vision of seeing this world and all the living beings instead of accepting a specific perspective obtained by a specific philosophy. In this way, despite using the principles given by the philosophers, Ayurveda has been able to establish itself as a distinct fundamental philosophy.
अगर इस पूरे विषय को समराइज करें तो आज हमने सीखा कि आयुर्वेद एक विशिष्ट मौलिक दर्शन है, क्योंकि इसका पर्पस विशिष्ट है, इसके लक्षण विशिष्ट रूप से दिए गए हैं, इनके अंदर प्रयोग की गई जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है वो दर्शन से भिन्न है, क्लासिफिकेशन का जो तरीका है वो भी दर्शन से अलग तरीके से दिया गया है, दर्शन के अंदर जो प्रमाण दिए गए हैं उसको रोग और रोगी परीक्षा के लिए संदर्भ में चतुर्विध प्रमाण या तो चतुर्विध परीक्षा के रूप में उपयोग किया है, तत्व गणना या तो तत्व की मीमांसा वो भी आयुर्वेद ने अलग तरीके से या तो थेराप्यूटिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से की है। इसके साथ साथ थेराप्यूटिक अप्रोच जो है, चिकित्सात्मक अभिगम जो है वो आयुर्वेद का विशिष्ट है। दर्शन के जो टॉपिक या तो दर्शन के जो तत्व है उनका चिकित्सात्मक दृष्टिकोण से अप्लाइड एस्पेक्ट जो है वो आयुर्वेद ने अपने तरीके से किया है, और जो अल्टीमेट अचीवमेंट या तो जो ध्येय है वो आयुर्वेद का विशिष्ट है, जहां पर शरीर को स्वस्थ रखने के साथ साथ ही मोक्ष की प्राप्ति का महत्व आयुर्वेद हमें सिखाता है।